Here we go. Yes, midnight scrolling on Temu. This ought to be fun. Oh, my mother loves jigsaw puzzles. It's two people all in front of a camper. Okay, that's funny. Okay. This looks interesting. Oh, a sports bra. Oh, how cute is that? Oh, that's super cute. We'll do a whole try on after I go through the bag. Oh, another puzzle for my mother. See, I don't just scroll for me. It's for everyone. Oh, shoes. Those are cute. Oh, parchment paper. These are like sheets of baking paper because, you know, fall and winter coming up. So it's going to be baking season very, very soon. So I guess I really, really needed those. Oh, a hair clippy. That'll be cute. Oh, let's do that now. That clippy is very intense. It has a strong spring to it. Oh, okay. Here we go. Y'all know I love nails, right? So, I have random sets of nails. Oh, these pink ones. Y'all know I'm gonna love those. These kind of, oh, they're French with a little black flower and stuff. That's cute. All right, these are, oh, they're earrings. So cute. This ought to be interesting. It's a cutting board for your counter, and then it, so it doesn't slide, it has the thing on the counter. Oh, I'll have to show y'all this in my kitchen. But I think it's black. Hold on. But yeah, it's actually black like this. Random kitchen things. So much clothing. Oh, this. Oh, it's silky smooth. It's got a built-in bra. Y'all know I love my built-in bras. Okay. We'll have to try that on later. That'll be a part 2. Okay. So, another shirt with a built-in bra, and it's backless. Oh, I think these are pants for Kirk. I'll have to have him model them for you. He'll love the fact that they're lime green. And, you know, he's super tall, but if they're too short for him, they're going to fit me perfectly. Y'all, I can't wait for that. What in the world? Like a sun visor or something. Oh. It's a laundry thing. Bag. Whatever. Okay, that's cute. Look how cute that is. Okay. Oh, more earrings. Toenails. These are pretty. Ooh, those are pretty. Look how gorgeous. Ooh, that's like silk. Ooh, look at that. It's a pretty little top. What do you think? See, I got something for Mom, me, Kirk, and Midnight. Y'all, look. Look at A donkey dog toy. She's gonna love it. Oh, these are some fun little bracelets. They're pretty heavy duty. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. How cute are those? Can we say random? I think it's supposed to be a bath mat. Last but not least. Ooh. Do y'all remember wrap skirts? Oh, that's gonna be, oh, I hope it fits. I love a wrap skirt. Oh, look, I guess, okay, so let me just say, midnight scrolling isn't that bad. Let's say this, the shoes, and the beige top. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, so apparently the addiction is real. And we're gonna need a part 2 to do the whole try-on haul. So stay tuned for that.